Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to invite a friend in Zynga Poker. Connecting with friends makes the game much more exciting and rewarding. We'll explore the easiest method to bring your buddies into the action, ensuring you both receive fantastic bonuses. Get ready to enhance your poker experience by playing alongside your favorite people, whether at public tables or in private games you create just for your group. Let's get started. First, let's find your personal referral code. Launch the Zynga Poker app on your device. Once inside, look for the settings icon, often represented by a gear, typically located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on it and then navigate to the referrals section. Here, you'll discover your unique code, ready to be shared with anyone you wish to invite to the game. Now that you have your referral code, it's time to share it. You can easily copy the code displayed in the Referrals tab. Or, for even greater convenience, simply tap the Share button to generate a direct invitation link. Send this code or link to your friends using text messages, email, or any social media platform. Remember, this method works best for friends who are new to Zynga Poker. Once your friend receives your invitation, they simply need to download and open the Zynga Poker app. They will then go to the Referrals section, just like you did, and select the Redeem tab. There, they'll paste your unique code and hit Submit. As soon as they do, both you and your friend will instantly receive a generous bonus of 100,000 chips, making it a win-win for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.